Hello everyone. Today I'm making a little video on something I noticed on two Beatle tracks from a track now that appears on this album, Past Masters, The Beatles. It was a B-side to Paperback Writer, and that track is called Rain. Okay, boy, just imagine that. Rain, a great song, and that's a B-side. Incredible. Only the Beatles, you know. Okay, and then another track, classic Beatles song, which is on this album. This is a 70s Japanese import that I picked up when they were released, and that's Strawberry Fields. And I noticed something, I would not say similar, but kind of a vibe in the sound they were creating on both tracks toward the end. A lot of heavy drums that come in instead of just steady beat, you know, you hear it when I show. But using Audacity, I recorded snippets of what I noticed on the two songs that has a similar vibe. I would not say it's exactly the same, but just the groove, the feel. So let's listen to the first snippet, and this is toward the end of Rain. Okay, let's hear that again. The drums, the guitar, this is towards the end of, as we're approaching the later part of Strawberry Fields, and you go hear those drums too, and it's just a kind of a similar vibe and kind of a sound that was coming out of them during the 66-67 period. So I'm going to play each of them rapidly. And we'll go to the okay, now got a third page here where I cut and pasted the two snippets together, and we can hear them side by side. So I would not say, carbon copies of each other, just a soundscape, a vibe. So let's hear it again. One more time. So, just thought I pointed it out to the Beatle fan base out there on the web, on the Facebook pages. I did make a video months back on something I noticed about a day in a life, and I noticed something here, and thought I pointed it out. I'm kind of more of a in-depth listener. Some people just like to listen to music, as like to hear it in the background and all that, but I'm more of a focus, how the drums sound, the bass, the production, the feel, more of a in-depth, magnifying listener. So I'll leave it to your comments. I'm not saying these two pieces are the same, carbon copies. Just kind of a groove, a vibe going on there that's kind of similar. Welcome your comments. Thank you very much. Bye.